Are you looking to set up social proof alerts for real-time activity tracking? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use these alerts effectively, boost your conversion rates, and show how you can leverage social proof for faster decision-making in your digital marketing efforts. Setting up social proof alerts is a game changer for tracking real-time activity, and it's easier than you might think. Social proof, as you may already know, involves displaying notifications of recent actions on your site, like when someone makes a purchase or signs up for a service. This simple, real-time tracking tool helps your potential customers feel confident in their decisions, knowing others are engaging with your product or service. First, let's talk about how to get started. Most platforms offering this feature will require you to log into your dashboard and navigate to the settings area. Once you're in, you'll typically find an option labeled Alerts or Notifications. Here, you'll enable social proof alerts, so they display live activities such as purchases or new signups. You can customize these notifications to show the type of activity you want to highlight, like someone buying a product or joining a webinar. Next, you'll want to tailor the design of the notifications. A lot of platforms let you adjust the colors, positioning, and timing of your alerts. For example, you could make sure they appear in the corner of your site for a subtle effect, or in the center for a more eye-catching approach. Make sure the alerts match your brand's aesthetic, so they don't feel out of place. Once you've got your design set up, it's time to define the triggers. What do you want to notify visitors about? Maybe a specific product is getting a lot of interest, or someone just signed up for your newsletter. By customizing these triggers, you can ensure that the alerts are not only relevant, but also help to nudge users closer to converting. After defining triggers, test your settings. You'll want to ensure the alerts fire correctly and appear at the right moments. If your software lets you adjust the frequency, consider experimenting with different settings to find a balance that doesn't overwhelm your visitors. The goal is to create social proof that motivates users, not to annoy them. Another key feature is tracking how well these alerts perform. If your platform supports analytics, dive into the data to see how many people are interacting with your alerts. This helps you gauge whether your social proof is working and can provide insights into what kind of activities lead to more conversions. If you're new to setting this up, don't worry. It's all about finding the right combination of timing, design, and triggers that work for your audience. And here's the best part. Many platforms offer an exclusive free trial, so you can set up social proof alerts for real-time activity tracking and see how they impact your conversions before making any commitment. Make sure to check out the first link in the description below to grab this offer. The beauty of social proof alerts is that they create urgency without being pushy. When users see others engaging in real time, they're more likely to take action themselves. It's psychological. People love to feel they're part of something popular or timely. Remember, by using this feature effectively, you can increase customer trust and boost conversion rates. But to get the most out of social proof alerts, make sure you're consistent with them. The more your visitors see those positive actions happening in real time, the more likely they'll trust your brand. Lastly, don't forget that in this video, I mentioned an exclusive, extended free trial for this software. It's your chance to experience all the powerful features that will enhance your business with no upfront commitment. Make sure you take full advantage of this bonus by clicking the link below. Now you know exactly how to set up social proof alerts for real-time activity tracking. Keep experimenting with settings, tracking performance, and optimizing your alerts. If you're looking to grow your business, this tool can help you make those key decisions faster and more efficiently.